You're looking at water so clear it doesn't look real. This is the Maldives, 1,200 islands scattered across the Indian Ocean like someone shattered a turquoise mirror, and almost nobody has seen it from this angle. We fly to the world's most beautiful destinations every week in 4K. Subscribe, so you never miss one. The Maldives is absurd. 1,200 islands, only about 200 of them are inhabited. The rest? Uninhabited, untouched. Some of them don't even have a name. From above, you see the shape that you can never see from the ground. Each atoll is a ring of coral, a circle of sand and reefs surrounding a lagoon so calm it looks like a swimming pool carved into the ocean. And the contrast is violent. On one side of this thin strip of sand, water so shallow and blue it glows. On the other side, the deep Indian Ocean, dropping to 4,000 meters of darkness. You are standing on a ribbon of sand barely above sea level. That's all the Maldives is. That's all it's ever been. These are the overwater villas that made the Maldives famous. Private bungalows built on stilts above the lagoon. Your floor is literally the Indian Ocean. Glass panels in the floor let you watch reef sharks swim beneath your bed. A single night in one of these can cost more than most people's monthly rent. And yet, they're booked out months in advance. Because the experience isn't the room. It's the water. It's waking up, opening your door, and stepping directly into a lagoon so clear you can count the fish from the surface. But here's what most tourists never think about. These islands are barely 1 meter above sea level. The highest point in the entire country is 2.4 meters. That's shorter than most door frames. The Maldives could be the first nation on Earth to disappear entirely under the ocean. The Maldives isn't just a surface-level paradise. Below the waterline, there's another world entirely. Coral cities, reef systems that stretch for kilometers, home to manta rays, whale sharks, and over 1,000 species of fish. From the air, you can actually see the reefs. Those dark patches in the turquoise? That's coral. Those lighter channels between them? Sand highways where the current flows. The ocean floor here is as complex as any city on land, and far more beautiful. The Atoll is a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, one of the few places on Earth where whale sharks gather predictably. Imagine looking down from a drone and seeing a 12-meter shark gliding through water so clear it looks like it's floating in air. We're building the ultimate library of aerial tours. Iceland, Morocco, Norway, all in 4K. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. As the sun drops toward the Indian Ocean, the Maldives transforms. The turquoise turns to gold. The villas light up like lanterns on the water. And for about 20 minutes, the entire lagoon becomes a mirror, reflecting a sky so dramatic it doesn't belong in real life. And then, if you're lucky, something even more impossible happens. On Vaadhoo Island, the water glows. Bioluminescent plankton light up the shoreline like millions of blue stars washing onto the sand. It's called the Sea of Stars, and it's one of the rarest natural phenomena on Earth. Most people will never see this, but you're seeing it right now. Morning comes fast in the Maldives, and it comes quiet. The first light touches the eastern edge of the atoll, and within minutes, the entire lagoon is alive with color again. But every sunrise here carries a warning. This nation is living on borrowed time. Rising sea levels threaten to swallow these islands within decades. The government has already started building a floating city, a man-made island elevated above the waves, because the natural ones may not survive the century. That's what makes this footage so important. This is a place that might not exist in 50 years. Every lagoon, every villa, every grain of white sand, it's all temporary. The Maldives is beautiful because it's fragile, and it's fragile because it's beautiful. This is the Maldives from above, and it's even more unreal than you imagined. Next week, we're flying over Iceland's volcanic landscapes. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. And tell me in the comments, which destination should we fly to next? Overlooking the serene Maldives, this video captures the beauty of the pristine turquoise waters and the luxurious overwater villas that dot the horizon.